In this video, we will show you how to stream from the BC-100 directly to YouTube Live. To stream video from the BC-100, first connect your phone to the BC-100 via USB cable and make sure the smartphone is connected to the internet. Then you will see a live icon on the UI. Select the menu icon, then select Stream Setting. Now, go to YouTube and set up a live stream. Copy the server URL and go back to the BC-100 and paste it into the "Please enter the server URL" text box. Then, return to the YouTube page, copy the stream name /key content, and paste it into the "Please enter the stream key" text box on the BC-100. Finally, set the resolution and bitrate. Then click Confirm. When you see the live icon turn red on the BC-100 UI, this means that your video is being streamed to YouTube. After your broadcast is complete, to stop streaming, simply select the live icon once again, then click Confirm and your video streaming will be stopped.